Hello, this is Hat, and I have two knives, two utility knives. One is Klein and the other one is Milwaukee. And I would like to take a closer look at both of them and see which one would be better for me. Okay, so the major reason I bought Milwaukee utility knife was because of this right here. It says lifetime warranty on it, and how I understand it is that when the knife breaks or something breaks on it, I can easily replace it at the store. That's what I think, right? So that's a nice feature, and I don't remember seeing it on a package from Klein tools knife. I don't remember seeing that. So it's a fast back. You can easily open it, and the first thing that is very visible and kind of disappointing is that the knife or the blade of the knife is not Milwaukee. It's just a very basic, very basic blade, nothing special. There you go, nothing special, but it is what it is. I used the Milwaukee blades in the past and they were great. I really liked them, and that was a disappointment that this knife didn't have Milwaukee blade on it, but it is what it is. This knife has a storage for one extra or spare blade, and it's kind of nice. You put it like this and it's supposed to hold right here. So this is a really nice feature, I think. The bottle opener is a joke. In my opinion, it's completely unnecessary. I would prefer to have like a nail puller or a scraper, like I was saying before in my video. Something useful, more useful on a job. Maybe old cork remover, something, you know, but the beer bottle opener is junk, not for me, but whatever. It has a nice belt clip. It has this clip, I guess, for your keychain or whatever. And of course it has a nut driver, which is a really nice feature. And it has a Phillips and a flat screwdriver on it. I really use a lot of these flat ones, so this is nice. Again, this is not a Milwaukee. It's just a very generic, very plain bit, but it is what it is. The other feature that I don't like is this ball bearing right here. I think it might easily get lost, and once it's lost, nothing is gonna hold the bit inside the driver because there is no magnet in it inside. I really think they should have put a small magnet, you know. It is what it is. Again, this is a lifetime warranty, like it says on the box. So I think if it breaks, I'm just gonna take it back to the store and get a new one. That's how I understand. Right? I like the nut driver because I can put extra nut drivers, and this one particular I can switch and put different sizes on it, so they are reversible, which is very nice. And what I like about it is that I can easily repair pretty much all kind of garden hoses that have repair kits, so I can tighten pretty much all kind of clamps, all different sizes, you know. I can cut the hose with a knife, and with a nut driver tighten the clamp, and I repair a lot of hoses. So this feature is very nice, and it feels strong. It feels like it's durable, but we will see. I have not used this particular knife yet, brand new. So this is Milwaukee, and now let's take a look at Klein. This is also fast back, and like I was saying about Milwaukee blade, this one actually is Klein, which is nice, and it looks sharp. It looks like it's really sharp, and it's nice to have original blade on the original knife, you know. Both of these knives have this wire stripper feature, which is not really convenient for me, I think. But anyway, it has this feature. Both knives. Here you go, right here. But anyway, one of the reasons, one of the features that I really like is that this knife, you can click and secure it in this position, like it's secured. I really like this feature because I think if I have to cut ceiling tiles, which is not fun thing to do, but I think this would be very helpful, you know. This would be very helpful. And if you're opening the boxes or cutting hundreds of boxes into small pieces for recycling, I think this feature is great. It's secured, you know. It's secured in this position. I really like that. And you can open it fully. I really think they did I think they really did a good job. This is excellent feature on it. I really like that. So nut driver is okay. It has two parts, actually three, but the bit has only Phillips, no flat screwdriver on it, but it's magnetic, right? So which is really nice. Milwaukee was not magnetic. It had a ball bearing. It had a ball bearing in it. So Milwaukee has a shorter nut driver, you know, than Klein. With the extension, it makes it a little bit longer. Although I do wish that this nut driver was longer, a single piece like this. I think it would make it much better. But it is what it is. This is kind of really short, but you still can use it. And I have these nut drivers that I can easily put in, and again it's magnetic, which makes it really nice. And I can repair my hoses or whatever if I have to tighten it. light bolts, light duty bolts or clamps. It makes it really nice. We'll see how durable this part is, because it just seems like it's just a plastic. Milwaukee actually has a metal frame right here, but anyway, we'll see. So this is what I got, and both of them are really nice. Have extra features, and I think both of them have something special and unique, you know. Here you go. If you would like to see what they look like fully opened, we can easily, and this feature is amazing. Here you go. Thank you for watching. This is Hat. Please click subscribe. Goodbye.